Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to cancel your YouTube TV free trial. Stick around until the end to learn all the steps and tips to avoid any unexpected charges and manage your subscription effectively. Let's get started. Remember, when you cancel or pause your membership, you will still have access to your YouTube TV until the end of your current billing period. The only exception is if you are on a free trial, canceling during the trial will end your access immediately. Now to get started, go to YouTube TV. On the home page, you will see the profile icon in the top right corner. Click on it. From the drop down, click on Settings. In the Settings menu, you will find this option of Membership. Click on it, and once you are on the membership page, find and click on Manage Membership. Next, click on Deactivate button. You will then be asked to confirm your choice. So click on Continue to Cancel and then select the reason for cancelling. After selecting your reason, click on Next and you will be asked one final time to confirm. So click on Yes Cancel to finalize the process. And with that, you have successfully cancelled or paused your YouTube TV subscription. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.